tube. We've made the plug. And if you look at the side, I've actually doubled the thick or tripled the thickness of the plug. I've actually found a tube that inserted so neatly in there that I just did it, and it's slightly beveled already. But we've got to join the rest of it together. We've got a bend, we've got a straight piece, and we've got to put them together. So let's get on with it. Right then, so we've got our tubes. We've got our tubes that we need to put together, and what we've got to do is bevel these edges so it make a decent fit. I cut one of the long tubes down to half. It's about 50 centimetres, so just got to do this. So I've set up, this is not ideal, but I've set up the angle grinder with a flap disc on in my bench. It's not going anywhere, it's fine. And we've just got to do this grinding and make a bevel on both the the tube and the bend. So let's get on with this. On we go. So mind your ears. That should do it. So, I'm going to take that out of there and get on with the next bit. Right then, so this little plug, and it's bevel, chamfer, whatever you like to call it, is 7.5 centimetres long, so I want to get the halfway point. It doesn't have to be accurate. I want to get the halfway point, 73.5, about there. So what we're going to do, put a line around there. Doesn't have to be fully accurate all the way around. There we go. Yeah, that'll do. I've got to plug that into the metal like so. So you can see that. That's the beveled edge, that's not. So that can go in there. And just tap it in. This is an old mallet that I use. So we've tapped it into the line, and what we're going to do is we're going to put a little tiny weld there, just to hold in place, so I can put the tube in and not have the tube slide further into there. So we've got to do that. That should have done it. That should have done it. That'll do. So what they'll do is the tack, I don't know if you can see that, let's take that off there. What I should do is the tack will hold it in place, but it'll also make a little bit of a gap so we can get full penetration on this. It should work. So now what I should be able to do is the bevel end there. Wiggle it in. See how tight this is actually. Give it a hammer. There is an easier way. Right, as you can see, I hope you can see anyway, as you can see, it just leaves a tiny little gap so you get good penetration all the way through with that plug, and that's what we're looking for. And it should also be straight. Yay! Right, next bit. Right then, this will probably go horribly wrong on camera, but I am using 1.6 rod in my very old, extremely old STP SIP SIP welder. I bought this many years ago, about 15 years ago, for 40 quid. It still works. But I'm using a 1.6 rod, I don't know what that is in any others. And you always match up the rod to up to the thickness of the metal. So up to. You can go slightly over, but it's not advisable. But, so I've got 1.6. This is 2mm. It's at least a 2mm plug. So it's 2mm going around there. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull it just round here, and then we'll see how it goes and turn the bar. I've never done pipe welding before. I've got no idea what I'm doing. So if I go wrong, you learn. So let's see how we can do this. This is scary. I'll probably mess it up. So yeah, that's not too bad. It's got good penetration out there, I think. It's got a low point just there, which I'll just do another pass over, and a low point just there that I'll do another pass over. You can always put more weld on and then take off the excess, but I think this will do it. So I'll put that down there. I'll just fill those up. Right, as you can see, I've actually done another pass to basically raise it up so I can sand it back. Well, I'm going to sand it back and then file it back until this is all smooth. The settings I used with a 1.6 was just above 80, and it's produced. I'm actually quite happy with that. I think that's going to hold, especially with the plug in there. This is going to be a lot stronger than the original. The original was only a 1mm thick steel. This was 2. Then you've got the plug, which is at least another 2. So that's going to be all right. Just got to sand this back. Just take all the raised areas off and then file it back with a file. Hopefully. There's a lump just there, but I'm going to leave it. You'll not notice it. Not when I put paint on. But that is done. Can you see it? Right, so there we have it. We now have 2 of these, because I did the other one yesterday to see what needed to be done. And so we've got 2 of almost exactly the same length, 90-degree bends. We are a happy bunny. So that's that done. Just got to deconstruct the old hitch point and salvage what we can from that. I've got a plan for that, which I will be doing in the next video. So until next time, goodbye YouTube.